All right, let's get another check of the weather.
Ben Bailey joins us with a look at what we can expect. I'm kind of bummed that summer's ending, but at least we get a few more warm days.
Yeah, I mean, well, if I didn't tell you it was ending, you probably wouldn't know it, because numbers are actually going to get better as we head towards the end of the week. So just in name only that we're moving on from summer, and it looks gorgeous out there. Got a lot of sunshine this afternoon and evening, beautiful blue skies. Now keep in mind, we're looking to the north. That's Belle Isle in the background. If you're looking west or southwest, you're probably going to pick up a little bit more of those hazy skies with the wildfire smoke, which is starting to invade. 66, the temperature right now at Metro. Got a little bit of a wind out of the south-southeast, but that pressure is high. 30, 36, and that's one of the reasons that we've got a dry forecast going all the way in to at least the start of the weekend. And we saw quite a spread in temperatures too. We woke up to 45 in the morning, made it to 70 for the finish. So when we move 25 degrees there during the day, that's a pretty decent spread. Tomorrow it's actually going to be even more, because we're going to see those low temperatures hover around the mid-40s, and then we're on our way to the mid-70s in the afternoon. So in some cases, we may get a 30-degree spread between that low and high. Clouds and radar, well, there's not a whole lot to look at. We're generally crystal clear here, again, except for some of that wildfire smoke. Not really evident in the infrared satellite. Kind of tough to pick that up, but you can see some showers out there on the other side of the lake moving into the UP. That is not going to be any of our concern. We've got dry conditions that are going to go forward until probably Saturday evening, and that high pressure that you see down there in southern parts of Ohio, that's in control of the weather, but it's because the works have been sort of gummed up. You can see Tropical Storm Teddy, or Hurricane Teddy, I should say, moving into the Canadian Maritimes, and then there's another big high pressure center on the other side of that that just isn't really allowing anything to move until we get past Thursday. That's when the doors start to open up and we start seeing more of a change in the forecast. We will get warmer towards the weekend, and we're also going to see our chance of rain again. I think about Saturday evening is going to be our first shot at seeing that. But they're going to see more rain than they can handle down to the south. Beta is going to be coming on shore here tonight as a tropical storm, probably within the next couple hours, and it is going to drag itself right along the Gulf Coast, 6 to 10 inches of rain in spots before that thing weakens and moves into other parts of the south by Friday afternoon. It will stay south of us, so we don't have to worry about that. But we've got some crisp nights ahead of us. This is one of them. In fact, this is probably going to be our coldest night, 47 for the overnight low, close to 50 in the city, but getting outside of the metro zone, and it's a lot of the low 40s. 42 there in Adrian, 42 in Blissfield and Tecumseh as we wake up tomorrow morning. A lot of mid 40s in the west zone for lows tomorrow morning. And in the north zone, pretty much the same goes there. Mid 40s is where we will start out, and everybody gets warmer in the afternoon tomorrow. It will be with mostly clear skies and very little wind. So again, that's a recipe for a big cool down at night. That's exactly what we're going to have. 75 on the high side tomorrow, a lot of sunshine. Do look for some of that wildfire smoke to be a little bit more evident as we get into tomorrow. And there's your 7-day forecast. But guys, yes, it is autumn, but look, there's an 80 in there as we get towards the weekend. So everything's looking up towards Saturday and Sunday.
Nice stuff. All right, Ben. Bernie's up next with more on the Lions' loss yesterday in Green Bay. Back in just a minute.